So to write a detailed information on the rhythmic aspect of this song, time signature, rhythm notes, rhythm patterns, and acknowledge all rhythm patterns, calculate the duration of the music. So the steps are: so the first thing is the time signature is 4/4. No, I cannot write. Sorry. So you write time signature 4/4. Let me take my glass off. On the piano part, you can start with the bass clef, now with the half a note, and one of the voices is a dotted quarter note, half a note, and eighth note. And the upper notes are the quarter notes, second measure, whole note. On the humming is that quarter rest, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, 2/16th note, 2/16th note, 1/16th rest, 1/16th rest, 4/16th note. So 1/16th rest, 1/16th note, 4/16th note, half a rest. I'm just on the voice here. Half a rest, 2/8th note. The second eighth note is tied to the eighth note. 2/16th note, the last 16th note is tied with the quarter note. On the piano, follow that pattern. That on the lower pitch note is dotted quarter note, half a note, eighth note. The top lines are quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, and the whole note. That is the two measures the same, three measures the same. I'm talking about the rhythm. Four measures the same pattern. Five, and this is on a variation. Start the quarter note and 2/8th note, quarter note, 2/8th note, and on the second measure after that pattern is the whole note. So now from the measure 11, 12 is the same as 13 and 14. More or less. 14 has one variation here that is stated to be just a whole note. On the upper note, it has this half a note to half a note. Measure 15 and 16 is the same as the 13 and 14 as a rhythm pattern. So on and so forth. Now, how to calculate the duration of starting to have with the glass? I cannot see. How to calculate the duration of the music? Let's see how many measures that we have. 6, 7, 8, and 9. 69 measures. And the BPM is 80. How do you know? So you listen to the music. Let's see what did I do here? Okay. Let me. Let's go to share here. With my beautiful vision. Okay. You need to have a metronome. There is a free app on the iPhone, at least on the iPhone, called the Pro Metronome. Pro Metronome. And when you go and listen on the music, you find, I'm going to try to find my Pro Metronome here, sorry. Anyhow, it's free app. It's a very good app. And you measure. Besides that, the Music Score offer the tempo here. So let's find it. That part is the humming. Here is played by the oboe that I wrote for the oboe. I made one arrange for the oboe. But let's see, the oboe cannot hum, so let's imagine that this piano is too loud for my taste. But very piano, whispering. So that is the 8 BPM. So how do you calculate? Here you have 60, that is our reference says the second, divided by 8 and multiply by 4, because the 4 beats per measure here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Six divided by 80 is equal to 0.75 multiplied by 4 is equal to 3 seconds. Now, these 3 seconds are going to multiply by the number of the measures. Multiply by 69. That gives you 207 seconds. So you divide by 6 to give the minutes. It gives 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's do again. You have the 60 divided by 80. Why is that? Because 60 is the referential, is the second. 6 seconds divided by 80, because 80 is the BPM. And all that result multiply by 4, because each measure has 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4 per measure. And after you multiply by the number, final number of the measure, that's 69. So 3 seconds multiplied by 69 is equal to 207 seconds. Sorry, I wrote minutes, but it's seconds. And to have in minutes, you divide it by 60. That is equal to 3.45 minutes. Okay? I hope that I help with that. Let's see, what question would have? So this is a common time, so is here, common time measure, four quarter notes per measure, excuse me. And has the syncopated on the voice line, at least on the hum, that you don't have a voice. So that you have this syncopation here. What is syncopation? Is the location of dislocated the forte tempo to the piano. This is going to be forte piano. So that we have one on the forte. Let me just show the software. So this on the parts of the tempo are forte piano, and when you have two, it's forte piano, forte piano. So you have this piano with the forte. So this location, ta 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 ta. So ta 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 ta. So that's the piano with that forte. So this is going to be on the anticipated the forte. So forte forte. Instead of say forte piano, it's going to be forte forte because that piano with that forte would give the forte. So ta 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 ta. Okay, so this located the forte to the piano. So forte anticipated here. So we have one syncopation here, syncopation. And for the voice, it's not static. Static is when you start on the very first part of the measure. Like is ta 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 ti ta. But instead 1, 2, ta 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 ta. So it's not static, called static. Static is spelled T-E-T-I-C. It's a Greek word for strong, strong. Anacrusi is going to be, excuse, means pick up. The pickup of the downbeat, so ta ta, okay? So does not start on the static, start on the called anacrusis, so that 1, 2, ta 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 ta, okay? And use it, let's see here. More or less 4 measures of pattern, they repeat the same. We're talking only about the rhythm aspect. We're not going to talk about melody, harmony, no. Just rhythm. Oh, excuse me. Oh. The second verse, the same rhythm. So this could be a line. See the rhythm. They repeat, not all over and over, but on that kind of 4/4 measures, more or less. With a slight variation, it would be like a 3 variation, 4. Because of the verses. Now come here, they call chorus that part. That's missing that part. Second part to play. So this I would call a B part. Instead of the chorus, I would call the B part, but we call the first part, A part into here, and that here is the B part. Because the rhythm include all the ta, 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 instead to have the eighth note, quarter note. You know? Sorry. 2 quarter notes, 1 quarter note, and the 2 16th notes. So 2/8 note, 2/16 and 1/2 note. 2/16, dot 16 with the 32nd note, dot 16, 32nd during the 2 beats. Dotted 8th note, 1/16 rest, 1/4 note, 2/8 note, 1/4 note. 8th rest, 3/8 note, the last 8th note tied to the quarter note. So you can finish the rest, okay? Thank you.